Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this creamy and delicious spinach pasta. This recipe is so simple and easy, and it's packed with flavor. Now let's get to the recipe. Firstly, I'm going to prepare the white sauce. So in a pan, add some oil or you can use butter, and I'm going to add 1 full chopped garlic, which is around 8 cloves. Let the garlic cook for a while on medium flame. Add 3 tablespoons of flour and cook for another few minutes. Make sure you mix it continuously. Pour 2.5 cups of milk and stir it constantly. I'm adding the milk in batches so the mixture can mix well and not form any lumps. I will link all the ingredients down below in the description box, so if you missed any, don't worry, you can always check them out. Now add in a bowl of spinach and mix everything together. Usually kids don't like eating spinach by itself, but if you add it in this pasta, they will love it. While we're making the white sauce, we can also prepare the pasta now. Boil some water in a large pan and add some olive oil and some salt in it. I'm using 350 grams of pasta. You can use any shape that you like and just add it into the water and let it boil. It's very important to add the salt and oil before so the pasta can absorb the flavor in it and your pasta won't be bland. You would need to add around 2 spoons of water in your white sauce, so I'm just using the water from the pasta. And you can adjust this water according to your consistency that you like. I'm also adding some salt. Add some pepper. Sprinkle in some chili flakes. And lastly, some oregano. You can adjust these spices according to your taste. If you would like to have a more creamy pasta, add less water, and if you want a less creamy pasta, add more water. The creamy sauce is ready. So to check if it's really ready or not is to just put your spatula inside, and if you can get a clean line like that, then it's ready. If not, then just boil it for a few more minutes. The pasta is also cooked. It should be al dente, so I'm just cutting it to show you guys that it's done. You can also just try it out, just eat it and check if it's done. Add your prepared pasta to the white sauce and make sure you drain all the water out before adding the pasta in. Mix everything properly so the white sauce covers the pasta. To top it all off, I'm going to add a little cheese. You can also add more if you like. And the creamy white sauce pasta is all ready. Now you can serve it into a bowl. If you want a little bit more flavor, you can sprinkle some chili flakes onto the pasta and enjoy. The creamy spinach pasta is ready. You can enjoy it with your family or yourself, and I'm sure it will turn out delicious, and it's so simple to make, so just try it at home and see how it turns out. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!